Hi, this is Nicholas Arachi, the Home Source Guy, president and owner of Source Development, Inc., a residential and commercial construction company in Garnerville, New York, and this is how to replace a pop-up sink stopper. Now, I purchased a plumb pack, and the plumb pack consists of a drain stopper, the pop-up mechanism, linkage, and pop-up rod. You can buy these anywhere, and I'm going to show you how to do it. And in our case, it's a plastic pop-up. It can come in metal or plastic. We're going to loosen the top of the pop-up. On the outer perimeter here, we're going to install plumbing putty. Install, push down, insert the opposite end through the back, and then tighten the retention nut on the pop-up stopper. Just snug. You don't want to over-tighten it, but you want to make sure it creates a waterproof seal. I'm going to remove the retention nut on the pop-up drain. Insert the lever through the retention nut, and then reinstall the rod through the pop-up drain and tighten the retention nut. I'm going to insert our pop-up drain. We face that tab towards the faucet was that rod is connected to the pop-up drain. We're going to insert the rod through the lever at the back of the faucet. Insert the rod into the extender. I'm going to pick the second hole from the bottom. First, our retention clip gets installed, then the extension, and then the other end of the retention clip to hold it in position. I've tested the operation of our lever to make sure that the operation is smooth, and I'm going to tighten. And that was how to replace a pop-up sink stopper. This is Nicholas Arachi, the Home Source Guy, president and owner of Source Development, Inc., a residential and commercial construction company in Garnerville, New York, helping you build a better life. Reach out to me on Facebook at the Home Source Guy, and we'll see you next time.